How to know if someone has hid their Instagram story from you. And can you do that? That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram and say, for example, you will see this story in front of me right here. Now, if this person has hide this story from me, will I be able to know that? Using this account, no, I will not be able to, as Instagram does not provide the feature or this option as of the time of this recording. Meaning, if you are using this account and this person hide their story from you, you will not be able to know that. However, what you can do is you can use a dummy account or a second account and check if this person has posted any stories that you do not see in your official account. That's the only way. And you might be asking, well, if they have a private account, yes, you will need to send them a following a request and they need to accept it in order for you to see that. There's no way around that as of the time of this recording, unfortunately. This is the only way to do so. So go ahead, create a dummy account, or if you have a second account, go and check if this person has posted any stories that you do not see in your official account. So that was it for this video. That's how you can tell if someone has hide their Instagram story from you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.